All right, for 7.9 and 710. Who can tell me what commutative property? How do we know which one's commutative property and which one's not? Trinity?
Commutative property, you can switch the numbers and still get the same answer.
Okay, so commutative property says the numbers can be in a different order. What is associative property? Jenna?
In parentheses.
Okay, associative property is you can group them together and still get the same answer. All right, so the first one, remember Miss Curley told you the trick to identifying? Some of you remembered it because you got 4 out of 4. Maricela? Okay, who can explain that a little better? Malia.
Okay, so if the numbers in number 1, for example, 643 is the same as 643 is the same, so it's associative.
Check the order of the numbers.
Because the parentheses just moved.
Good. Check the order of the numbers. 643 on one side of the equation, 643 on the other side of the equation. All right, so that one is associative property. How about the second one? Alexis. Commutative. If I'm looking at the numbers, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. What about the third one? Najee.
Associative property.
Okay. Checking the numbers. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay, numbers stay the same. Last one.
It's just like on a test.
Alexis. Why?
Because it could be it can't be
3, 2, 6. 2, 3, 6. Okay. All right. Each day, Nick's little sister what are you doing? Okay. All right. Each day, Nick's little sister eats a quarter cup of rice cereal in the morning, quarter cup of rice cereal in the afternoon. Okay. So how many does she eat in one day? Elise. 2/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4. That's how much she eats in one day.
Whoa.
Some of you just counted that and did that as your answer. That's not what it's asking for. How long will it take to eat 2 cups of rice cereal? Okay. So I need to add up until we get to 2 cups. How much is 1 cup in fourths? What is a whole in fourths? Luca? In fourths, what does 1 cup equal? No? 1 can't equal 2. What is a whole in fourths? Jimmy? 4/4. Good. So I'm going to need 4/4 for 1 cup, right? And I'm going to need 4/4 for 2 cups. Okay, is everybody following me on that?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, so we're trying to find 2 cups. So I'm going to need a total of how many fourths? Jessica, how many fourths am I going to need? Jessica, how many fourths am I going to need?
And number 3?
Yeah, you were talking to Levi, so I assumed you guys were talking about the answer. So how many fourths will I need to make 2 cups? Huh? Nope. So can you focus on me, please? Yeah? Okay. Levi? 4/4 is only 1 cup. So how many will I need for 2 cups? Isabel? 8/4. Thank you. So I am going to add 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1 until I get to what number?
8/4.
Okay. And then I'm going to count. How many is 1 day? Does that make sense?
Yeah. No, 2 days.
Okay, so if I have 1/4, or I could just do 2/4 because I know 2/4 is 1 day, right?
Yes.
2/4 plus 2/4, so that's 2 days. How many does that equal?
4.
Okay, so that's 2 days. If I do that again, there's my second cup, right?
Yes.
And how many days is that?
2 days.
Okay, so how many total days do I need?
4. Oh, I see.
4 days.
You said you were going to record this because
I wasn't going to put it in the grade book because you guys didn't pass it.
no, she did.
All right. Next one, number 3.
I don't like this smartboard.
Number 3 says 3 girls are selling. Three girls are selling cases of popcorn to earn money for a band trip. In 1 week, Emily sold 2 3/4 cases. Brenda sold 1 1/4 cases. And 3 2/4 cases. Shannon sold 3 2/4 cases. How much cases did they sell in all? That tells me to add. In all tells me to add. Okay, so who wants to walk me through how to do it? You want to try, Daniel? Yeah. Okay, try. Where are you getting 6?
I added 3 and 2.
Okay, so you add 3 plus 1 plus 2, which is? 6. Can I leave it like that? Because probably about 6 or 7 of you left it like that. Okay, Daniel?
You can't. Why?
Okay, how do I regroup? Okay, what is a whole for this?
Like 6. Oh, like 4/4.
4/4, good. Which leaves me with 6 minus 4.
2/4.
Good, leaves me with 2/4. And then what do I do with this?
You cross it out, and then it's 6 2/4.
I understand. But what do I do with this? It's got to go someplace.
Oh, put the one all the way up.
Thank you. Okay, now I add these together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7. 7
Okay, so the answer for the first part is 7 2/4. Okay, explaining how you found your answer. You add all of those together, regroup the fractions. Yes.
Is it okay if I added 2 and then I added those 2?
Did you get 7 2/4? Yes. All right, part B. Says the girls must sell a total of 35 cases in order to have enough money for the trip. Suppose they sell the same amount in week 2 and 3 of the sale as in week 1. Will the girls have sold enough cases of popcorn to go on the trip? Okay, so I know how much they sold in week 1, right? Which is what?
7 2/4.
7 2/4. Okay, and what do I need to do with that information, Abhishek?
You need to add it up until you get 35.
Franco, can you please sit right? I'm going to add it up until I get to 35? Elise.
You're going to add it until it's a whole.
Nope. Jimmy.
Take 7 and
Nope. Damien.
Take 7 and 2/4 and add it 2 more times.
Okay, why?
Because it says week 2 and week 3.
Okay, I have a total of 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to add it 3 times. 2 plus 2 is?
4.
Plus 2 is?
6.
Can I leave it?
No, you have to make a whole.
Gotta regroup it. Good. Let's take our whole out. Put that up here.
17.
Okay, so 7 times 3 is?
21.
Plus 1?
22. 22.
So 22 and 2/4. Did they make 35 cases?
No.
No.
Are we gonna do like one more?
No, I don't think so. We're going to do decimals and percentages. Okay, questions, medics.
Wouldn't it be $22.50 because it's 2/4? Yeah.
But it's not asking about money, it's asking about cases. They sold 22 and a half cases. So I'm not sure where you guys got money from. But we're not going there. Abhishek.
You put 3 and 2/4.
Yes, class, can you before Abhishek even finishes that thought, can you tell her what I said?
You said to change.
Okay.
You said to change 3 1/2 to 3 2/4 because it's the same as a half, but if it's 1/2, we have to change it to 2/4.
Hey, and who wants to tell me how many times I said that?
Like 3 times 20.
No, I said it 3 times. Okay. Any questions? Jimmy.
By the time you said that, I already had the equation written down.
Then you should have what?
Like that. Erased it. I should have erased it into half.
Correct. Damien.
Why did you count number 2?
Huh?
You didn't count number 2.
I didn't count number 2. What do you mean? On yours? Because you got it right, so I didn't mark it wrong. Otherwise there'd be a cross in it. Okay. Please.